Number 1.
1930 Ford Model Coupe all-steel hot rod. Price, $37,000. Location, Cookeville, Tennessee. A beautifully built 1930 Ford Model Coupe featuring an authentic all-steel body and classic hot rod styling that captures the true spirit of traditional American craftsmanship. Carefully assembled with quality components, this Ford offers a clean, timeless appearance and a strong road presence that makes it stand out at cruises, car shows, and special events. The iconic coupe profile, vintage proportions, and custom hot rod details create the perfect blend of history and performance. Built as a well-sorted street machine, this Model A delivers the character enthusiasts look for in a classic hot rod while maintaining the reliability needed for enjoyable driving. With its solid construction, excellent presentation, and carefully completed build, this 1930 Ford Model A Coupe represents a great opportunity to own a genuine steel-bodied classic that combines old-school style with modern street appeal.
Number 2.
1930 Ford Model Coupe all-steel hot rod. Price, $37,000. Location, Cookeville, Tennessee. A beautifully built 1930 Ford Model Coupe featuring an authentic all-steel body and classic hot rod styling that captures the true spirit of traditional American craftsmanship. Carefully assembled with quality components, this Ford offers a clean, timeless appearance and a strong road presence that makes it stand out at cruises, car shows, and special events. The iconic coupe profile, vintage proportions, and custom hot rod details create the perfect blend of history and performance. Built as a well-sorted street machine, this Model A delivers the character enthusiasts look for in a classic hot rod while maintaining the reliability needed for enjoyable driving. With its solid construction, excellent presentation, and carefully completed build, this 1930 Ford Model A Coupe represents a great opportunity to own a genuine steel-bodied classic that combines old-school style with modern street appeal.
Number 3.
1933 Ford Minotti Coupe Street Rod. Price, $39,500. Location, Rockford, Illinois. A beautifully crafted 1933 Ford Coupe street rod featuring a high-quality Minotti fiberglass body and classic hot rod styling with modern custom touches. Built to capture the legendary look of the iconic 33 Ford Coupe, this street rod offers a sleek profile, aggressive stance, and exceptional craftsmanship throughout. The smooth body lines, custom details, and carefully finished appearance make it a true head-turner at car shows and cruise nights. Designed for enthusiasts who appreciate style, comfort, and performance, this Ford combines timeless vintage character with modern street rod engineering. The Minotti-built body provides a strong foundation for a premium custom build, while the attention to detail throughout the car reflects the quality expected from a professionally assembled hot rod. A fantastic opportunity to own a stunning 1933 Ford Coupe street rod that delivers classic American attitude and show-worthy appeal.
Number 4.
1947 Chevrolet Classic Sedan Street Rod. Price, $29,000. Mileage, 1,234 miles. Location, Murray, Kentucky. A beautiful 1947 Chevrolet Classic sedan featuring timeless post-war styling with the potential of a custom street rod build. Showing only 1,234 miles, this vintage Chevy presents a great opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts searching for a unique classic with plenty of character. The iconic rounded body lines, spacious sedan design, and unmistakable Chevrolet heritage make it a standout choice for cruising, shows, or future customization. With its classic appearance and vintage charm, this 1947 Chevrolet offers a rare chance to own a piece of American automotive history. Whether enjoyed as a stylish cruiser or enhanced into a high-end custom build, this Chevy sedan provides the perfect foundation for someone looking for a distinctive classic vehicle with personality and timeless appeal.
Number 5.
1933 Chevrolet 3-window coupe hot rod. Price, $34,995. Location, Buffalo, New York. A classic 1933 Chevrolet 3-window coupe hot rod combining iconic pre-war styling with reliable V8 performance and traditional street rod attitude. Powered by a dependable Chevrolet 350 cubic-inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this coupe delivers smooth cruising power and the unmistakable sound of a classic American hot rod. The sleek 3-window body design, aggressive stance, and custom side pipes give it a bold presence that stands out wherever it goes. Built for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage style with modern drivability, this Chevy offers the perfect balance of performance, personality, and classic craftsmanship. Whether cruising local streets, attending car shows, or adding to a collection, this 1933 Chevrolet 3-window coupe is a great opportunity to own a stylish and enjoyable hot rod with timeless appeal.
Number 6.
1947 Ford Business Coupe Street Rod. Price, $19,500. Location, Moberly, Missouri.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
A stylish 1947 Ford Business Coupe Street Rod offering classic Ford character combined with comfortable modern upgrades and dependable V8 performance. Powered by a 305 V8 engine featuring a mild camshaft and headers, this coupe delivers a smooth and enjoyable driving experience while maintaining the traditional hot rod feel. The engine is paired with a reliable turbo 350 automatic transmission for effortless cruising. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, tilt steering, air conditioning, and heat, this Ford provides the comfort and convenience needed for enjoyable street driving. With its classic coupe body style, custom street rod features, and practical upgrades, this 1947 Ford Business Coupe is a great choice for enthusiasts looking for an affordable classic that is ready for weekend cruises, car shows, and everyday enjoyment.
Number 7.
1934 Ford Coupe Street Rod. Price, $34,500. Mileage, not specified. Location, Oneida, Tennessee. Description: a beautifully crafted 1934 Ford Coupe Street Rod combining legendary hot rod styling with modern Corvette-inspired performance. This classic Ford features a powerful LT1 Corvette V8 engine, delivering smooth, reliable horsepower and an exciting driving experience while maintaining excellent street manners. The custom build includes a Mustang 2 front suspension, providing improved handling, comfort, and confident control on today's roads. Finished with timeless coupe styling and built for enjoyment, this Ford runs and drives with no known issues, making it ready for weekend cruises, car shows, or long-distance adventures. With its combination of classic pre-war design, modern V8 power, and quality street rod upgrades, this 1934 Ford Coupe is an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for a dependable and eye-catching custom classic.
Number 8.
1930 Ford Model A 5-window coupe hot rod. Price, $39,000. Mileage, not specified. Location, Ontario, Ohio. Description: a rare and one-of-a-kind 1930 Ford Model A 5-window coupe hot rod showcasing exceptional craftsmanship, custom details, and timeless street rod style. Built with a genuine steel Model A body, this Ford delivers the perfect combination of vintage character and show-stopping custom appeal. The polished chrome grille, exposed chrome V8 engine, and oversized rear racing tires create an aggressive yet elegant appearance that commands attention wherever it goes. The interior is a true highlight, featuring a stunning custom Abraham Raber cream leather design with embossed door panels, matching cream bucket seats, and a unique custom steering wheel that adds a premium finishing touch. Every detail has been carefully designed to make this hot rod stand apart at car shows and events. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe is an outstanding collector-quality hot rod built for enthusiasts who appreciate craftsmanship, individuality, and classic American automotive art.
Number 9.
1941 Plymouth Business Coupe. Price, $8,999. Mileage, not specified. Location, Fayetteville, Tennessee. A classic 1941 Plymouth Business Coupe offering vintage American styling, unique character, and an affordable opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. This rare coupe features the distinctive pre-war design that makes early Plymouths stand out, with elegant body lines and a timeless appearance that attracts attention wherever it goes. While it is not a perfect show car, It presents as a solid and enjoyable classic ready for cruising, local events, or continued personalization. With a clean title in hand and delivery available for an agreed price, this Plymouth provides a great starting point for collectors, hobbyists, or anyone looking for a unique vintage coupe without the high cost of a fully restored build. A charming classic with plenty of potential and old-school appeal, the 1941 Plymouth Business Coupe is ready for its next owner to enjoy and make their own.